Hey guys, welcome to Classland. Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to make a 3D butterfly. So what we are gonna need is a pair of scissors and a scale. So let's get started. First we are gonna fold this paper. We are gonna make a square out of this rectangle paper. So we are gonna fold this into a rectangle and fold the bottom part and take out the bottom part, so it's gonna become a square. If you have a square paper, then you don't have to do all this. I'm using a scale to cut it. You can use any scissors as well if it's hard for you. So you can see this line over here. We're going to make another line opposite to it. We're going to fold the paper opposite to that line and make another triangle. And now we are going to make a plus sign, a plus thing. We're going to fold this paper into a plus sign, equal, like it should be right, nice and equal. And then we're gonna fold another line to make it a plus. So basically we're gonna fold the paper in every direction. So you can see many triangles on the paper. After that we're gonna fold it into a small triangle, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. We're gonna fold it like that. So it's not going to be a normal triangle, it's gonna be like this. And now we're gonna take our scissors and cut a round shape like that. We don't need that. Now we're gonna take it, fold it into half. We're gonna fold it like that. Open that and fold it like this. It should not be touching that line. And now we're gonna take the bottom part and fold it up, just like that. You can also glue it if you want. You're gonna fold it for it to stay still. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, click the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notifications bell. See you guys later. Bye.